face and I knew right then and there I love you, I couldn't help but stare. You were so sweet the time we met, my gleaming eyes were set on you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Khalis. Shout out to you for being here. Are you a Kokedama lover who is tired to see dried sphagnum moss, bored of soaking a Kokedama just to keep it moist? Or are you getting tired of restringing your moss ball because of disintegrated jute twine and getting disgusted to see moldy moss balls? Well, hang in there, watch this video as I show you how to make old Kokedamas brand new and learn to water them without any mess. If you are new here, please subscribe now and hit the bell button to get notified of my new videos. At the end of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share to your friends and loved ones. Bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng aking mga taga-subaybay sa laging pagsuporta at pagtangkilik sa aking mga video. Shoutout din sa channel na Kusina ni Kadyosa sa kanyang katanungan. Ano-ano na po ang mga naranasan mong worst experience sa pag-aalaga ng Kokedama? Guys, sasagutin po natin ito as we go along with our video. Isa pang shoutout para sa munting prinsesa na miyembro ng KPSG, Michan Borada or Michan28 for her comment and question. She said, "Wow, ang ganda ng mga Kokedama mo. You have a billion plants. I have a question for you. When did you start collecting plants?" Thank you, Michan. Actually, I only have maybe 100 plants. I'm not a real plant collector, but I just love to have plants at home and love taking care of them because it makes me happy and relaxed. I started the love of plants since I was just a little girl like you. Sa nakaraang vlog, ibinahagi ko sa inyo kung ano na ang kalagayan ng aking mga Kokedama. Ngayon naman ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isang remake para gaganda ulit sila at magiging stress-free na ang pag-aalaga. Gaya ng tanong ni Kadyosa, isa sa mga worst experience ko ay kung paano panatilihing kaaya-aya ang ating mga Kokedama. Ang kapabayaan at maling pagdidilig na sanhi ng pagkamatay ng mga tanim ay isa din sa mga masasamang experience. And so for our video today, let's get started.
it one more time?
Yeah, it's cool. Just go to the next time around. Here we go. 1, 2.
Messed up, I did bad. That one chance was all I had. I can't get it off my mind. I can't seem to leave the past behind. It's okay to make mistakes, it's alright. At least you tried, life goes on. Day by day, you look back and see it's right this way. Yeah. I like some of that. What do you think?
Sounds good, Carly. Roll the second verse and we'll come back and listen to the whole thing, alright?
Okay. Worst critic is myself. Every misstep, it says I fell. Never good enough, I'm never right. And even if there is some hope, it's still not quite. But it's okay to make mistakes, it's alright. At least you tried, life goes on. Day by day, you look back and see it's right this way. I'm not perfect, I don't wanna be. It's my mistakes that set me free. Every day I learn something new, and it's always right no matter what I do. What I do, 'cause it's okay to make mistakes, it's alright. At least you tried, life goes on. Day by day, you look back and see it's right this way. It's okay to make mistakes, it's alright. At least you tried, life goes on. Day by day, you look back, see it's right this way. Right this way. Messed up, I did bad. Looking back, I am so glad.